Quick reading for May the 23rd to May the 24th, Cancer. Your cards are the Queen of Swords, the Death card, and the Six of Wands. Pwede natin ditong sabihin na inayawan mo, no, itong isang sitwasyon na feeling mo wala kang certainty. Nainis tayo sa person natin dahil parang feeling natin nagpaikot-ikot siya, no? Ayaw niyang tumbukin, ayaw niyang dalhin itong connection into another level of commitment. So parang sabi natin, hindi naman natin siya inaway. Probably we just step back, no? At ngayon si person na feel yung coldness mo, na feel yung hindi mo pag-i-engage, no, sa kanya. Kaya ngayon may pagsuyo. Ma-feel din natin dito with the Six of Wands. Dito yung sinabi ni person na ano ba ang pwede kong gawin para maibalik yung dati nating pagsasamahan. So yeah, this is your quick reading for May the 23rd to May the 24th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.